Hello followers, today's video will be for those who fly the Maddog X and have a problem with the loudy and noisy cockpit instruments sound. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem, but before I get to this, let me first show you the difference before and after fixing this problem. This is the default cockpit instrument sounds with engines off. Now you will see the difference after fixing this problem. And this is the default cockpit instrument sounds with the engines running. Now you will see the difference with engines running after fixing the instrument's loudy sound. Now let me show you how to fix this. Open Fly the Maddog X Manager and Setup window, as you can see here. Click on Setup tab, then Sounds tab. From the sound name list, I will look for a few items which I'm gonna set their volume level to minimum, starting with IS. I'm not sure if this stands for the instrument sound. However, I'm gonna slide its volume level to minimum. Same thing for fan item. I will set its volume level to minimum. The next one is the battery on, volume sound set to minimum. Finally, I scroll down looking for the hydraulic pump item. Here it is, volume level set to minimum. That's all. Now save and exit. Hopefully this will solve your problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.